Do you remember the first time you saw your newborn wrapped tightly at the hospital, looking like the cutest little burrito? That's swaddling, a timeless technique parents and nurses have used for generations. It's more than just adorable. Swaddling helps babies feel safe, calm, and cozy, just like they did in the womb. Swaddling has many benefits beyond warmth. It can prevent sudden wake-ups from the startle reflex and help your baby rest more peacefully. It also gives your little one a sense of security during those early months of big transitions. No wonder it's one of the best-kept secrets of happy.com babies. So, how do you swaddle like a pro? Start by laying out a receiving blanket in the shape of a diamond. Fold the top corner down about 6 inches, and place your baby with their head above the fold and body, pointing toward the bottom corner. From there, you'll gently fold and tuck each side to create a snug, secure wrap. Begin by pulling the corner near your baby's right arm across their chest, and tucking it under their back. Then lift the left arm, fold the blanket over, and tuck it in. Next, bring the bottom corner up over your baby's body, and tuck it under the chin fold. Finally, bring the last corner across, and tuck it under the back. If the baby burrito fold feels tricky, don't worry. Many parents use swaddles with Velcro tabs or zip-up designs that make it much easier. These modern options keep baby snug and safe without the hassle of learning perfect folds. Choose whatever method helps you feel confident. Some babies prefer having their arms free. In that case, swaddle below the arms so they can self-soothe by sucking on their fingers. Always make sure the swaddle isn't too tight, and that the hips, knees, and elbows stay in their natural, slightly bent positions. This ensures comfort and healthy joint development. Swaddling isn't forever. Once your baby becomes more active, usually around 3 to 4 months, it's time to transition. At that stage, a sleep sack or hybrid swaddle sack is a safe alternative that prevents loose blankets in the crib. Always follow your baby's cues, and safety should come first. And here's a little bonus tip. Bonding doesn't stop after swaddling. The American Academy of Pediatrics recommends reading to your baby daily, starting from birth. This builds language skills, supports brain development, and creates a loving family ritual. So after a snug swaddle, grab a book and enjoy quiet story time together.